Hello everyone. It's raining pretty hard today, but I got good news. No more leak. I just got the windshield replaced a week ago, and the issue was actually the windshield cowl area, and I was filling up with dirt, leaves, and pine needles. And what happens is that area would get so filled up that the water will overflow because it was clogged, the drain. And then it will seep into my carpet and cause that water leak and, drench onto the cabin filter. I've been checking the cabin filter, dry. It's been raining all this week. So there hasn't been even a drop in here. So far, everything's dry. I'm going to upload some pictures in this video to show where the drain was and how clogged it was. Thank you, everybody. Take care.